When forced to survive in the woods, you never know what items might save your life. Well, we're gonna put that to the test with the Weather Channel Survival Challenge. This is the Battle of the Weekenders. Okay, gentlemen, your first survival challenge is blowgun target practice.
Okay, right.
The first one to shoot both of their balloons wins. Paul, you're gonna be blue, and Reynolds, you're gonna be yellow.
Okay. Full inhale, full exhale.
That's right. Yep.
Paul, you go first.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors? Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors. Shoot.
Paper covers rock.
You're
Here we go. All right.
All right.
Good luck.
First start in the hole.
Oh,
man! First shot,
beginner's luck. Beginner's luck.
Whoa, dude! Oh!
Bam!
Oh my gosh! Wait a minute. Have you guys shot blowguns before?
First time ever.
Unbelievable! We got two naturals. Oh!
Just a bit outside.
Ricochet off the tree.
Oh, hey, that's my balloon, man.
Go.
Back up off my balloon. Oh! Oh, a little more wind here.
One
Man,
more. All I got is
so
one left. You got
close.
two left? I got two. Okay.
Oh, bam!
There it is.
Oh,
Paul is a
Nice job.
winner.
Gosh almighty.
Congratulations, Paul. You took this survival challenge, but we've got one big survival challenge left, and you definitely don't want to miss it.